Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to download Domino's Pizza app on your phone. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, which of course ever you have. At the moment I have the App Store, I have the Apple iPhone, so this tutorial will be about it. So here, as you can see, we have the today screen where we have everything that they put on today. We have the game screen. We have the apps where you can see all of the application, arcade, and the thing that we need is the search bar. In the search bar, we can go and type in the name of the application, which is Domino's Pizza. So basically what we have to type is Domino's Pizza, click search, and we can get, as you can see, you have a lot of Domino pizzas that you can go and get. So you have it for Greece, you have it for Ukraine, you have it for Portugal, but here we have the only one and only the Domino's Pizza application, which is sorry, not the one and only, but the original pizza for all countries. So basically when you're there guys, what you need to do, as you can see, you can go and see the age, category, the developer, language, size of the application. You can see the reviews and everything here. And of course guys, at the end we have the button that you need to click, which is the get button. Now when you click it, the application will start to download. When you double click to install, it will start to download, and when the application actually downloads, you can then just click, as you can see, open, and you will have the application here. You can go then and set your country and everything which you want, and that's basically that. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.